quite an exciting lesson for you today. Here's a question to get us thinking. It says, what does the picture show us? We've got 3 answers on the side. It says a dinosaur, a dragon, or a crocodile. Pause the video to tell your grown-up what the picture shows us. Think about how you know. That's right, it was a dragon. I've got some pictures of some dragons here from the Chinese New Year celebrations. Have a look at the pictures. Can you think of some describing words to describe the dragon? I can see sharp teeth. Pause the video to describe the dragons. Think about some exciting words that you could use to describe the eyes. How could you describe the length of the dragon? What about the colours on the dragons? How could we describe those? Today, we're going to use our imagination to catch a dragon. So, I want you to use the link here or go on the class page blog, the F2 blog, to listen to this story first. Once you've listened to this story, How to Catch a Dragon, we're going to help catch a dragon that's escaped from the dragon parade. So our learning today is to say some instructions to help catch a dragon. We need to think of an idea, so use your imagination to think about how you can catch a dragon, and then we're going to say what we will do first, next, and then. So listen to the story first to see how the boy tries to catch the dragon. I wonder if you could help. What do you think we could use to catch a dragon? Here are some pictures to help your imagination, but maybe you've got your own ideas. Think about the size of the dragon. How will you catch it? Think about how fast a dragon is. Think about what a dragon can do. So, once you've got an idea about how you're going to catch a dragon, we're going to use these instruction words to create a plan of action to catch a dragon. So we've got first, next, then, and finally. So think about what you will do first to catch the dragon. And what will you do next to catch the dragon? And if that doesn't work, what will you do then? And what will you do at the end? Here are our ideas. So it says, I will trap him in a box. I will trap him in a box. Can you see my idea here? I'm going to wait for the dragon to get under my box and then I will trap him. And maybe that will help catch the dragon. If that doesn't work, Miss Ritchie's come up with her own idea. She says, I will creep. Can you spot our digraph E? So I will creep him into the box. So Miss Ritchie's also decided to use a box to help catch the dragon. But look at this. What has she got inside the dragon to help the dragon get into the box? She's got a cake. What a good idea, Miss Ritchie. Maybe the dragon will come into the box to get some cake, and then we could catch him. So today I want you to think about your own ideas to catch the dragon. I can't wait to see your photos of what you've built to catch the dragon. Send them to our email address, or you could draw your idea into your literacy learning pack. As a challenge, you might choose to write a sentence to go with your idea. So use the words I will to write a sentence about your idea to catch the dragon. You might choose to use our instruction words to write a plan of how you're going to catch the dragon. We can't wait to see your ideas